Hello children, in this video I will tell you about marking of the important sites which we discussed in the chapter in the earliest city. So let's just start. Here you can see this is Gujarat, this point, right? Upward to it here, this is Lothal. Just you have to remember by this that this point which is going upward, just here we have to mark. Now next, that is Dholavira. Here the part, this part, just see this part towards its up, here you have to mark. I'm just going to darken it. So this is Dholavira. Right. Next is Mohenjo-daro, where we studied about the Great Bath. See this part. This is Gujarat now. This is the curved part, and this, which is bulgy, or which is coming out. This towards here, right? You just take this point and just mark it here. This is Mohenjo-daro. Right. Now coming to this part, now just when it is getting over, here we have the part which is going inside. So just take a line vertical to it, right? This is the horizontal line which you have to draw, and then towards here, before Mohenjo-daro, you have to mark here. This is Chanhudaro, right? I'm just going to write it here, Chanhudaro. Right. Next, the most important site which we have discussed. Now coming to this part, see this part. This is now Jammu and Kashmir, now Ladakh also has been divided. And now this part, see this part, which is bulgy again. And here we have the 2 points, right? In between these 2 points, we have here, this is Harappa. Right. And now I have told you these 2 parts, right? So this part, this is Kalibangan, right? So these are the important sites which you must know, right, when you are studying in the earliest city. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you children.